So first you grab a small clear bowl. It's completely made. I'm gonna put my gloves back on. So some people like to put on this mask with a foundation brush, or you can use a spoon, but I prefer just using my fingers. I just find it easier to maneuver around my face. Now that we're going to put this on our face, make sure you don't get it on your eyebrows. This can also help with any type of facial hair. Removing it here is good, removing your eyebrows is not. So be careful with your hairline and your eyebrows, and we're just going to apply this gently. So I'm just gonna get some of this. Here we go. Ooh, this is cold. That way all the mess is on the inside. You can throw it away and you don't have yellow nails and won't get anything else on anything. So now I'm gonna leave this mask on for 20 minutes, which means I have 20 minutes to scare anybody in the house, and then we're gonna wash it off. Hey Siri, set timer for 20 minutes.
Okay, 20 minutes and counting.
Thanks. After 20 minutes, you're gonna feel your face get very stiff, like you won't be able to move your face at all. And then you grab your gloves, some type of towel that you don't mind ruining, and a gentle cleanser like Cetaphil. Sorry for the serious face, I just literally can't smile. So then I'm gonna start to wash it off with lukewarm water. And just be careful because this could get on your counters or your white sink, so if it does, just make sure you wipe it off right away so you don't stain your countertops. This stuff is no joke. So once I rinse off the majority of it, I'm gonna grab my damp towel and just wipe off the rest. After you wipe everything off, if your face still looks a little bit yellow, don't freak out. This is where our Cetaphil comes in, just to do one more cleanse, and just keep adding as much soap as you need to until all the yellowness is gone. So now that the mask is completely washed off, all I did was add a little bit of this oil-free moisturizer by Neutrogena, and now my skin feels so clean, and you can see that I'm glowing just a little bit. It is best if you do this at least once a week, and you can actually just put a cover on this and keep it in the fridge. It is best if you write, "Do not eat, this is a mask," because I can't tell you how many times my dad thought it was mustard. Now there are many different ways to make this mask. This is just the way that I have been doing it, but I do want to start trying to use honey or lemon. There's a million different recipes, and I'm going to put a link in the description box that shows you how you can make a mask to fit your certain skin types and skin needs, so make sure you guys check that out. And I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I post new videos every Sunday, so I'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching.